Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I am needing a major catch-up day. I've been so busy, haven't been able to do anything around the house. So today that is what we are going to do. First things first, I have an appointment at the DMV and I need to go get Trav some dog food. Boone actually slept in this morning, so we're getting a little bit of a late start to our day, but that's okay because he is sleeping in. Mom got me a case of cotton candy Alani's for my birthday. Oh, so good. I don't really feel the best, so I figured I kind of deserved one. I've got all my stuff for my car to get the official license plate for it. I set an appointment for 10:20 and it's 10:08. I think I'm gonna go in early because I have a check-in thing on my phone that I do. So I think they might be able to get me in quicker because there's not that many people here. Having to quickly run into our bank because there's one more thing that I need. Luckily, the lady at the DMV was so nice, and she was like, when you get back, just come back to me, walk back up here. And I was like, okay, girl, thank you so much. I love when the DMV person is nice, because when they're mean, you're just like, I'm so sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just a newbie. I feel like the Lord has his hand in this situation, because everyone is just being so nice to me, and like my inexperience in adulthood, they're being so understanding, and like, because I'm literally just like bouncing place to place being like, this is what they said I need, what do I do now? And they're like, okay, and then we figure it out together. So I'm very thankful for nice people. So I headed back to the DMV. Hopefully this is the last trip to the DMV. Ow! I went to Lebanon! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Guys, this is why we don't vlog and drive. Going to the DMV, hopefully for the last time. Having to stop to get gas because I'm literally at, you know, like 40 miles. I am getting gas and then I'm gonna run to Dollar General. Why, you ask? Because for practice tonight at volleyball, my girls really need some type of motivation. Okay, right now we're just kind of lacking, so I'm gonna try and make it a little bit more fun and get some prizes, some little candy bags. Maybe I'll get an Alani, but then our big drill at the end of practice, I'm gonna get a $15 gift card to either like Amazon or something like that. I'm going to let the girl who has the most communication and the most like leadership aspect in each drill pick from my goodie bag. They're 15, so I think they're still young enough to maybe have some excitement with this. Let's be so for real though, if I was 17 and this happened, I would be excited. So I'm hoping it works, and I hope they enjoy it and it's not like, what is she doing? I've literally never been in here. Maybe if I have been in here, it's been like once. I'm hoping this candy is cheaper than Walmart's candy, so we will see. Okay, I don't think it's necessarily cheaper, but it's not as expensive either. What do kids love? Nerd gummy clusters. What else? I feel like they like Snickers, but a 5-pack? Oh, fast breaks. I might get these for me, low-key. I don't really know. Or I could get this smaller bag, and then everything's a little bit smaller. I wanted it to be really exciting though. Is that boring? Maybe I just need to go to Walmart. Yeah, I'm just not loving these candy options. There's a Walmart marketplace right around the corner, so I'm just gonna go there because I think there's gonna be more and better options and not just like generic stuff. Am I recording? Okay, yeah, I am. Sorry, it was so bright I couldn't see. I'm gonna run there quickly, see what they have. And they will also have Alani's at Walmart. They do not have any Alani's there, and I know my girls like Alani's because we've talked about it. I also need a couple random things like medicine and emergency, so might as well just get that now. Oh my gosh, sorry, that was terrible. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get that while I'm here. What the heck is that? 2 alarm. They think I'm gonna steal the basket? No, thank you. Yes, see, this is what I need. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, okay, okay. This is good. Okay, I'm gonna get them a pink slush. Tell me why the candy was a little bit cheaper here than it was at Dollar General. So I got my stuff. And I might grab me a pizza for dinner for tomorrow. and then I'm gonna head out. I literally almost forgot about the gift card. So, I don't know what I'm gonna get because I don't see an Amazon gift card. Okay, I think I've decided I'm gonna get the $15 Taco Bell card. I feel like that's the most appealing to a 15-year-old. The boys were not, whoa, easy. Somebody was upset and super glad to see me. Weren't you, Boone? Trav did not like being outside. He was whining whenever I got there, even though it's so nice outside. Boone has literally been going crazy. Oh gosh, here they go again. Careful, gentle, gentle. Trav has finally warmed up to Boone, and they like playing with each other now. Don't you? You like playing with your big brother, don't you? Yes, you do. Now it is time to do a few things around the house. And then I have a volleyball lesson at 3:40, practice at 5. So it is going to be a very long day, and I need to get some more Dayquil in me. Guys, I was literally chilling on the couch, and then I looked at the clock and I was like, oh my gosh, I have a volleyball lesson. So I'm driving there really quickly. I'm not gonna be late, but I'm not gonna be as early as I wanted, and that's okay. So, okay, oh my gosh, I'm making sure I didn't forget the balls. Okay, so volleyball next, and then volleyball practice for my travel volleyball team. Yay! A day full of cleaning and volleyball. Volleyball practice was great. It was chaos because I was literally late to everything, I swear. But I'm hoping this store's open for Trav because I forgot to get dog food. 8 p.m. please. Okay, let's go get Trav some dog food, and then I need to go get dinner. I'm starving. Good thing I know straight where to go. Back here. I'm gonna get this adult dog beef and rice one. Diamond. We love the Diamond brand. So I gotta put y'all up so I can carry this big thing. I'm at Taco Bell because I have a gift card. Of course, I'm all about the gift cards. Hold on. $8.94 though. Yeah. Thank you. I smell awful. Thank you so much. Let's go home and feed my sweet baby boys. They're probably so mad at me because I left them in the cage for so long. The boys have had dinner. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Survivor and then go to bed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it was somewhat entertaining. I don't know. Make sure to subscribe so you can see more of our videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.